What's going on, guys? Working on a Volkswagen Phaeton. ABS light came on intermittently, so we're going to check the ABS sensor just here, because when it came on intermittently, the vehicle would be stuck. You would put it in drive and it wouldn't move, meaning that the gas pedal wouldn't recognize you depressing it, so it would just be idle the whole time, whether you put it in park, reverse, no matter what. So going through the ABS sensors here, this is the front passenger side I'm working on. So what I'm going to do is now remove the ABS sensor here. This is the connection. Just going to remove that. Gonna have to pry this back with a long screwdriver, this piece here, and then just pull it with both hands. So as I pry this piece back, you would pry this open a little bit. I stick a little skinny flathead in here, and I just pull it back and pull the wire, and it should pop right out. You gotta use both hands with that. I just did it that way off camera because it's just one hand I have. So now I'm going to take out this sensor. I took out the driver's side, it was crudted up. I cleaned it, so might as well do the passenger side as well. And take that side out, and then should be able to clean it. And hopefully that ABS light will stay off. Alright, this area is really tight, so I'm using an Allen wrench to loosen it, because you really have no space here because it has the front air dam that, directs cold air. On the Phaeton, it has that piece that directs cold air to the front discs to cool them down while driving. So an Allen wrench is your best tool to use to loosen this nut, to take it off. Once you loosen it, you can hand loosen it and take out the sensor. Okay, so I'm loosening out the nut. Pretty much got it out. Okay, now we're gonna pull out the sensor and see what it looks like. It's as bad as the last. Oh yeah. Well, it's not too bad, but it is crudted up, so I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna spray it with some brake clean right there. I'll leave the link in the description, but the driver's side was way worse than this, and that's why it came up on the code when I looked it up with my VCDS VAG computer. So it's not so bad on this side, but the driver's side was worse, and that's why the driver's side showed up. But I'm glad I looked on this side to clean it as well. Alright, so here it is, looking all cleaned up. Sprayed it, so it's good as new. It's pretty new. You can tell that it was changed not too long ago. The connection also is, it's all new. So that just tells you about maintenance on your vehicles. It's winter here. We had snow early January, so all the salt deposits, in addition to just, looking at it throughout the year and maintaining it, that'll help. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray brake clean inside here before I put it back, because you see there's still crud here. So I clean the other side, I'm going to spray it in there and rotate the, the drive shaft so I can get in there as I clean it. And that should be it. You just reverse to put everything back on. Thank you, like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. You see the video, it doesn't hurt to just press the subscribe button as well as the like button. It helps us a lot. Thank you. What I wanted to show you, here's the paperwork with the VAG that showed you basically what happened. So it tells you right there, ABS brake, ABS wheel speed sensor front left, and that's where I got the first fault. Like and subscribe. Definitely subscription is best for us. You can share the video as well, but subscribing will help us. Thank you.